Alright, so I moved over for 5 minutes. Okay, well, might have to bid you boys do. It was good riding with you.
Please get out, please.
Thank you. Alright, vlog. Beautiful. The colors of the countryside are absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at all the golds. It is simply so beautiful. Yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty beautiful. Oh, what a gorgeous day too. It's been raining a little bit, so it's literally just perfect blue skies. It looks like California. It doesn't feel like California, but it looks like California. Tunnel. Wow. Dude, that was pretty sick. That was pretty beautiful. Wow. It looks so clean. It actually reminds me a lot of you know, Bakersfield, the Kern River. Alright, vlog. Tunnel time. Ooh. Wow. Literally incredible. So beautiful. We're just following a river going in and out of the mountains. It's crazy. Right, vlog. Take a look at this. All right, how was that? You like it? Oh yeah. I wish I had like another layer and a hat. Yeah. No, definitely. It definitely was a little chilly, but. Wow, that was pretty incredible.
Good at. He has understood the concept.
Alright, vlog. We just finished up our food. It was incredibly delicious. Some Japanese curry. Kind of forgot to record too much, so I'm gonna throw up some photos right here. Right here, yeah. Look how amazing it was. Yeah. See all those photos? Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, now we're going to a monkey something?
Monkey forest?
Monkey forest. Oh yeah.
Handler one?
Well, you want to go on that?
You know how much is that in India?
Oh. You know, they actually do have those in Bakersfield. The homeless people do them.
Really?
Outside of the bars.
But isn't it like $5 per minute or something?
No. Look how beautiful. I'm not just talking about them.
Wow.
Oh my. Dude, I'm just...
Can I get it?
Nope. Wow. That is just so beautiful. Dude, can we get on like those boats?
I think we can actually go on a boat, but I think it's a bit too cold for that.
Yeah, it's a little cold. Little cold for show. Man's eye got taken by a monkey.
I don't think the monkey can take you.
A lot of them? Like a bunch? Guys, apparently the monkey can steal small things. So if the monkey steals the micro SD in this GoPro, remember me.
Remember you? Maybe you will become popular among monkeys. They start streaming.
Maybe the monkey also wants to vlog.
The monkey might. I did once let a golden retriever bite down on this, and he ran around with it, and he was recording. Yeah, dude, GoPro, man. But yeah, we're climbing up. It is very steep and very tiring. Yeah. Whew. water depleted, food supplies minimal. We've been out here hiking for days. We've lost Kyle. We had to eat him in. It's just us two left. We're struggling out here. But we hear the distant monkeys, so we're gonna keep pressing onwards. Godspeed. Come here, monkey, come here. All right,
There's a
GoPro.
monkey right there, like that scared us.
I'm gonna enhance this video and zoom it in. But they're right there.
Is that one?
Oh. All right, y'all. There are a lot of monkeys. There are a lot of monkeys around. This one's a little choked. I started swinging him. Alright, y'all, so I'm chilling with my monkeys up here. We're just enjoying the views of Japan. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Look at the babies. A banana! Why don't they don't try to eat the banana?
I think they learned that that banana is not it.
yeah, I think they learned that as well. Wow, look at. Wow. Oh my. You don't even bother. Wow, there's so many. You're just jumping around. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put up a lot of good photos of the baby monkeys. But yeah, look at this view. Look at the monkey on the roof.
Oh, you gotta stop monkeying around.
Yeah, monkeying around. Look at him just hanging out up there. It is pretty beautiful out here. It's good rolling too, so you just point and. So how does it work?
They just take it from you.
Oh, he's ready. Oh, my hand's just. Oh, you can't let him see it, right? You can't let him see the food.
No, I think you can.
One more read.
He's greedy.
Yeah.
He's greedy. Let's go give it another one. He can't fit his hands. Would you like it? Yeah, he doesn't. I don't think he wants it. Oh wait. Oh, he. I swear it's the same one. He knows we're giving him one. Oh, wait. Here. Oh.
Monkey rice.
Oh my god. Yeah, see, I'm not gonna let him like. Let's go get the other ones done.
Okay.
Ah, he ran away. That one's a big one. We gotta give it to like a small one.
Oh my god.
Oh, here you go. Wait, this is the same one, I swear. Oh. See, I think they're afraid of like the big, like the male one. Oh. There's definitely no little babies that would hop up here. Cause like, oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you can hear him on the roof. Whoa. Wow, they're eating good. I wonder what these. Oh. They like eat it in secrecy. Oh my god.
Did you see that? Oh.
Oh my. Yes, they get so afraid when the big one, like a big monkey comes in. Oh. All right, that's all. See, oh yeah. See, yeah, they're. Wow, that was amazing. Thank you. Oh. All right, y'all. Well, we just finished with the monkeys. It was incredible. What did everyone think of the monkeys?
What?
What did you think of the monkeys?
Adorable.
Adorable?
Yeah.
Kawaii.
Kawaii?
Kawaii.
What did you think of the
Monkeys
monkey?
were really cute.
Yeah.
And they were non-aggressive, like very calm monkeys.
Yeah, they were very calm. Like, I mean, you only ever saw them get a little bit upset when it was like food related, you know, or something. Like,
Oh, their fights were
Yeah.
hilarious.
but their fights were, yeah, they were so like, it was like they'd fight for a second and then be like, oh, whatever. I'm just gonna go get another piece of food. Yeah, definitely, if you have not been, amazing. We're heading back on the bus. I think we're gonna go to a bamboo forest.
This one.
Bamboo
this is
forest?
called Bamboo forest, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Okay, vlog. So I've gotten custom engraved chopsticks for mom, dad, brother, grandma, grandpa, and Jake back in LA. So some good presents. And yeah, got their names written in Japanese, engraved on them. So yeah, so it's awesome. Okay, vlog. Look at this. Look at that bamboo. Oh, my flashlight turned off. But yeah, look at that. Just like huge, just stalk. It's so like weird sounding. It's just, yeah, they literally so much here too. You can't see much, but we're in a bamboo forest right now. I'll put some photos up here. But yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. Just got so many amazing engraved chopsticks, some boxes. Parents and friends are gonna be so happy. I can't wait. All right, vlog. So we were honestly doing a lot of travel. It's about 8 p.m. or so. All of us right here. We're now in the Kyoto train station. And yeah, we're going actually up to the 10th. This also took us up like 2 or 3 floors.
Yeah, we are correct. It said Saitan. Saitan is the side.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just going up and up. We're trying to get to like the 10th floor. Oh, something
Okay,
looks.
we are on the right side. We are in reach everywhere. It says restaurants right 11th floor. That's it.
Yeah, so we're just going up and up right now. Yeah, this is cool. This is. I think it was cool to come here. This,
If you,
yeah.
I don't think next time we'll go to
Oh my gosh, dude! Look at that! Look at that! Wow. Wait, do we go this direction? Wow.